the oblique triangle. To know more about oblique triangle, I will tackle you what is oblique triangle. It's what of the sides, the angles by using the formula, the sine law, the cosine law, and we will give you some examples to get and to know what is oblique.
I am your next reporter, and I will be tackling about or discussing about oblique triangle. So, we define oblique triangles as if none of an angle is a right angle, this would be an oblique triangle. So, previous about oblique triangle. An oblique triangle has no 90 degrees angle by itself. An oblique triangle must measure as 180 by all sides. If this, what you think is an oblique triangle, you are wrong. This is a right triangle. So how do we find out that it is an oblique triangle? We have its sides, namely side A, angle A, angle C, and angle B. When we compute angle A, B, and C, it should sum up into 180 degrees. So for example, we have 41, 95, and 44. '95 is side C. 41 is side A, angle A. 44 is angle B. When we sum up these three angles, we would get an answer of 180 degrees. That make it as an oblique triangle. So this is the sine law. We can use the sine law when we are looking for one missing part. So if there are three given from the example, we can use the sine law to find the missing part. So for example, we have a given of side A and over it is its angle A, and side B over it is angle A, angle B. So just as follow us these different angles and sides to find its missing angle or sides. Yeah. So in solving, we solve it as, for example, side A, angle A, side B over angle B. So we have it here. First, angle A, then side B, because multiply it, then side B, angle A. So to remove angle B, we put over angle B and angle B here, so it will be cancelled out from here, then remaining the side A. Then next would be side B and angle A over angle B to find the missing.
After everyone, I'm Jacob Fernandez, the third reporter. I've discussed all about cosine law. The side A is A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC plus A. And the B squared equals A squared plus C squared minus 2AC plus B. And for the C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB plus C. For example, I solve for the formula of side A. Like example, we need to square out both sides to get the square of A. And after that is the answer.
So, good afternoon everyone. I am John Mark A. Ardinis. I am the reporter of the day. So, in order to find the angles of an oblique triangle, we need to cope up with this cosine law in order to find the angles. So, for example, we need to find the cosine angle A. So, this is the formula on how to get the cosine angle A. So, a while ago, we have heard about the cosine or how to find its sides. So this is A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine A. So, that is the formula that we have watched a while ago. So, in order to find the angle, we need to move this angle into this left side, and this side A will move into the right side. So, it will be subtract because we need to subtract a squared here in order to move the a squared here in the right side. So, that's why this will come up cosine angle A equals b squared plus a squared minus a squared over 2bc. So, for example, cosine A equals b squared plus a squared equals minus a squared over 2bc. So, in order to find the angle, we need to substitute the given parts of the oblique triangle. Then, after you get the answer, you need to shift then cosine in order to find the final answer of the angle.
So we will talk about the examples of oblique triangle. So as you can see, we have some missing parts, the side and the angle. And the missing is angle A, side A, and side B. First, we will target first the angle A. To get the angle A, we have two angles. In order to get the missing angle, we must use this A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees, because the sum of triangles is 180 degrees, and in order to get the missing parts, we must sum into two angles and minus 8 on 180. So, as you can see, 180 minus 119, so the angle A is equals to 61 degrees. In order to get the missing part of side A, we must first use the sine law. So, cross multiply on it. And in order to get the side A, we must divide side C to cancel it and transfer it to the side. So, this is A is equals to C sine A over sine C. So, equals C is 124 months times sine angle A. Angle A is equals to 61 degrees. Over sine angle C. So the value of angle C is 85 degrees. So divide it in order to get the answer. So the answer on it is A is equals to 108.87 miles. So in order to get the final missing part, the side B, first, in order to get this, we must use the sine law. So B over sine B equals C over sine C, or angle C. So B is equals to sine 34 degrees equals 124 divided by sine 85, and we must cross multiply it. So B sine 85 equals 124 sine 34. So, in order to get B, we must divide the sine 85 and divide sine 85 to both sides. So, cancel on it. So, B is equals to 124 sine 34 over sine 85. So the value of B by using calculator is 69.60 miles. So this is the value of side B. So we fill up all the missing parts of the oblique triangle. So this is all about the oblique triangle. Hope you learn about this topic, and thank you.